So in order to make this wreath, we need a collection of ornaments and a wire hanger, and we are going to cut the wire hanger, not with scissors, and then we're going to round it out in the shape of a wreath. I have to prep them and make sure there's no extra of these strings around them. I'm going to start to put them all in here in random orders. I tried to do like red, gold, and then I ended up with like, they're kind of like in the same spot. I kind of wanted them random, so you'll have to play with it and then figure it out from there, but then I just sort of, there it goes. So now that I have completed it, for the most part, I am going to grab these ends right here and I'm going to duct tape them. I happen to have some red duct tape. And I also have a few of these bows, and I'm gonna tie them on and see how it looks in a minute. I'll add all three. I was gonna add a Christmas hat, doesn't look like it's gonna fit because it looks like I've made it all the way around. Because at first I didn't think I was gonna make it all the way around, but it turns out that I did. Okay, so now that I have the bows on there, we can go ahead and hang it up.